Hi guys, ngayon naman ay magtuturo tayo kung paano ang distillation, kung paano gumawa ng ating hydrosol. At ang ating gagawin ngayon ay green tea. Did you know green tea is not just for drinking? Green tea hydrosol is gentle water extract packed with antioxidant. Kaya ito ay mabisa, magaling pampaputi, at talagang maganda sa ating mga balat. It helps control oil, calm acne, and reduce redness on our face. At hindi lang ito pang-face, ito ay for the body. It cools, repress, and protects skin from pollution. You can also spray it on your scalp. Lalo na kung may balakubak at talagang nangangati, kailangan spray mo lang ito to suit itchiness and excess oil. At light, tandaan natin ito ay walang alcohol, ito ay pure water. At galing sa ating green tea. Perfect for everyday skincare. Kaya napakabisa talaga ng green tea. At alam niyo ba, patak-patak lang yan. Inabot ako ng 4 na oras bago ako nakakuha ng ganyan. Yung kulay ma-blue-blue, yun ang first extract, second, and third. Green tea hydrosol is gentle, water-based skincare solution rich in antioxidant, perfect for face, body, and scalp. This hydrosol ay napakaganda sa atin, mababalance ang oil, calm irritation, and repress skin naturally. Ginagamit ko yan sa mga product ko kaya mabisa. Alcohol-free, lightweight, and suitable for sensitive skin. Kaya maganda ang ating mga cuties, paputi ng paputi dahil sa mga natural ingredient na galing sa ating green tea extract at ito ay ating ginawang hydrosol. Good day and God bless you all.